People get into the immigration process in different ways. So you have somebody who is a United States citizen who wants to petition for their family abroad. They send off a petition or a visa petition to USCIS here in the United States. Once it's approved, depending on the relationship, it gets forwarded to the Department of State, who sends it to the embassy abroad where the person lives. And then they go to an interview, and if all goes well, they'll come into the United States as a resident or something along those lines. Someone else who lives abroad who has an employer filing a petition for them, that's another way to get into the immigration process. The other way somebody gets into the immigration process is if they came to the United States either through an airport with a visa or at the border and came in without inspection, and now they're here in the United States and they want to stay. The other way people get into the immigration process is if they already are a permanent resident here in the US, let's say, and they get into some trouble, and then the immigration officers pick them up, unfortunately put them in the detention center or release them to their family or on a bond while they're waiting to see an immigration judge. During that process, we evaluate what's gone on, we evaluate what type of conviction it is, and if it's the type of conviction that would pose a problem for their immigration status.